Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is the ultimate solution, simplifying your meal prep like never before. This incredible kitchen essential replaces 9 different appliances, acting as your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and so much more. Imagine creating delicious, healthy meals faster with just one device, freeing up precious counter space. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking perfect dishes is practically effortless. From tender meats to fluffy grains, it handles everything for you. This isn't just a basic pressure cooker. It's a smart cooking system designed for modern kitchens and busy lifestyles, making homemade food accessible daily. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, a huge win for any home cook. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade in 2025, this Instant Pot is a must-have appliance. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check the Amazon link in the description below to grab yours today. It's an investment that pays for itself in time saved and delicious meals enjoyed, perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. I wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It truly is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen gadget for effortless gourmet cooking.